Hello viewers, Flipkart's Bye 2025 sale will occur just after 1 hour. If you are a Plus member or a Black member, in that case you will be able to buy in this sale. And if you have SBI credit card, in that case you will get extra 10% discounts. So if you get the pricing right, you can definitely buy a tablet. You can see that you will get discounts on Lenovo tablets. In my last video, some of the users are commenting that the price of iPad 11th generation will never come down to 29,000 rupees. But as you can see here, few months ago, the price of iPad 11th generation has come down to a low price tag, and people have bought that iPad at 29,825 rupees. Actually, those people who are accusing me do not know about how the price of tablets decrease during sale. If you closely observe the pricing in sales, you can understand that the price of tablets or iPads actually decrease during sale or just before the sale. So before buying any tablet or iPad, you must know the exact pricing or the best price so that you don't get befooled by sellers. I have made many videos. In my previous videos, you can know the price of each and every tablet, about the best price. If you get those pricing, only then you can make the purchase. So if you want to buy any tablet, you must purchase that tablet just at the start of the sale that will occur tonight at midnight. If you miss the chance of buying any tablet at midnight, when you will wake up in the morning, you will see that the price has already gone up. So at that time you will have no option. I will also make a dedicated video about the price of tablets after the sale starts, so stay tuned for that video also. In that video I will categorically mention the best price and the actual price of tablets and whether you should buy those tablets or not. So wait for that video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.